Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. Today, together we're going to take a look at how to quickly and very easily find and remove duplicates in Excel. Have you ever caught yourself saying, "Wait, haven't I written this before?" With this tool, that will never be a problem for you again. Excel offers us a tool that finds and marks duplicates or permanently deletes them itself. So let's not waste any more time and let's get on with it. The first method we're going to demonstrate is a way to find and highlight duplicates so we can decide whether to remove them or not. We'll select the data in which we want to check for duplicate information. We go to the tab, Home, which is located on the top bar. We select Conditional Formatting. As we can see, we now have several formatting options to choose from. We will choose the first option, Highlight Cells Rules. We click on the option, Duplicate Values. A window will appear where we can choose whether we want to format duplicates or uniques. We select the option, Duplicate. Next, we can select the color scheme we want to use to highlight the duplicates. Click on OK. The duplicates will be highlighted and we can decide whether to keep them or remove them. Great, we're done. Let's move on. The next tool we'll demonstrate is a way to find and remove duplicates in Excel without having to manually check for them. Excel does it all for us. We click on any cell that contains data. We go to the Data tab, which is located on the top bar. We click on Remove Duplicates. A window will appear in which we can select which duplicate data we want to permanently remove. We want to remove duplicates of name and ID. We click on the button, OK. Excel will tell us how many duplicate values have been removed. We click on the button, OK. Done. The duplicates have been removed. It was easy, wasn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, let us know via a comment or like. Would you like to see more videos on how to learn Excel quickly and easily? If so, don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.